Retaliation claims are on the rise. Frequently, they're the most serious charges that employers have to defend and lead to the biggest verdicts. Over the years, legal protections against a range of complaints have expanded, and Supreme Court rulings have consistently protected employees who bring issues forward. The idea is that by raising issues internally, problems can be addressed and corrected without lawsuits. There are scores of statutes that prohibit retaliation, and managers, executives, and other leaders are the ones who are the most frequent offenders. We can't teach the intricacies of all of these laws, so the question is, what can we do to prevent retaliation? Of course, organizations should establish policies prohibiting retaliation. They should be well publicized and part of leadership training. And there should be systems in place that give employees direct and confidential means of raising concerns. But the best way to prevent retaliation is tied to culture and leadership. Organizations that want to find out about problems will encourage their employees to bring them forward, recognizing it is better to find out about problems sooner rather than later. While some claims won't be valid, some will, and finding out about the valid ones is what's most important. Even though resenting or punishing the complainant may feel like a natural response to some, good leaders must learn to avoid retaliation. Here are some tips. Good leaders make it clear that they want to find out about issues before any other problems arise. If an employee isn't aware of his leader's commitment to listen and consider problems, he's less likely to raise issues when they arise. Or he may wait until the situation is so serious that damage has been done and cleanup, rather than prevention, is all that's available. Retaliation isn't just what you say, but what you do and how you communicate it. Tone of voice and gestures convey meaning just as powerfully as spoken words. Encouraging people to come forward does not mean agreeing with every issue they raise. It does mean listening to their complaints, thanking them sincerely, and giving them a response, including at times one they don't want to hear. And finally, retaliation prevention and a willingness to welcome concerns needs to be a habit practiced by everyone in the organization.